Hey YouTubers, so here we go. We have two free giveaways. At 800 subscribers, we are going to give two drones away. So at 800 subscribers, we are going to give this package or this one right here. So this one is going to come with the Tello drone sealed. It has a combination of additional batteries with this. Also, you can carry the drone with the case, and also this remote here as well, remote controller that's going to come with this. You have to bind it together and it'll work. All right, so that's the first drone. The second one that we're giving away is the Holystone HS720. This is it right here, and we'll be giving this away. That's a nice little case, as you can see. And has the remote control. The drone is right here. Has some additional space there. Instruction booklet that goes with this drone. So pretty cool deal. All you need, write a comment that we know who to choose from. It'll be a random selection from all of the people that subscribe and wrote a comment from either this video or other videos that we have posted on our channel. So when we hit 800 subscribers, it'll get this one or this one. And at 800 subscribers, then at 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna also do another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. But for now, pretty good deal having this or this one, Holystone. All this giveaway. All right, guys.